Hello everyone, this is a lesson on introduction of organic chemistry. The first thing, organic chemistry is the study of carbon atom. A carbon atom has a valency of 4, meaning that it will bond with 4 other atoms. These atoms can be any other atom or can be carbon. Now, in organic chemistry, carbon likes to bond with other carbons and form long chains of carbons. Then we have this section of chemistry which is called the organic chemistry. So what it does, like the carbon will bond with another carbon here and then bond with other. Usually it likes to bond with hydrogen, it can bond with hydrogen, it can bond with chlorine, it can bond with oxygen, it can bond with other atoms. But what's special about it is that this carbon has bonded with another carbon. Then it can be 3, 4, 5, up to 100 chains of carbon bonding together. They can bond, forming branches and all of that. We're gonna do all of that in the other videos. In this video, I just want to introduce you on how they are named, the basic names that you need to memorize so that you can continue with your chemistry. With next videos, we'll do homologous series, we'll do functional groups, we'll do all of those. But in this video, I specifically want you to memorize the names. Right, in grade 12, you are expected to know up to 8 carbons bonding together. But as I've said before, it can form long chains of 100 or more. Now, when we have one carbon that has not bonded with another carbon, you'll have a stem name, meaning that the name in the middle, you'll see as we continue with the homologous series and the functional groups that I'm going to show you, will give you the other names, but there'll be the name that's in the middle. If there's just one carbon, it will be meth. If there are 2 carbons bonding together, like the example that I've done here, it's eth. 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct. In some textbook they'll do 9 and 10, but it's not required in grade 12. So what I want you to do, grade 12s, is to take time when you are going to the shop, when you are washing dishes, you go 1 meth, 4 but. You memorize them. If you start it there, if you memorize these stem names, your chemistry will be much easier. Okay, I'll see you in the next videos.